Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I give you money-making websites that are free to use. Today I'll be sharing with you two websites. The first website is called IDPLR.com. IDPLR.com. Now in this website you can get over 12,000 PLR products. Namely, these products, free ebooks, softwares, videos, templates, graphic, music, and all of these products you can use. You can sell them, you can edit them, you can do anything you like with these products. You can scroll down and read all about this website. Now, first, you need to register on this website. Register for free. Once you register for free, this is how your dashboard will look like. You can just go on search whatever niche may say make money online. There you go. Side hustle success. This is an ebook. This is already made for you ebook. Make first on it on the web. This is an already made ebook. You can just click on this ebook. Any ebook you want. You download this ebook. It will download into your desktop. After you've downloaded the ebook, you can use a program like Canva to edit your cover, or you can just use the same cover. Now, what can you do with this ebook? First, you can go to Amazon. Here in Amazon, if you search on Amazon, there are ebooks. These ebooks are for sale, and you can be a seller on this platform. You can even just make it $1 in one ebook. It will still be 100% profit. Now, how do you become a seller? You click on Amazon Seller Central. sellercentral.amazon.com. Here you sign up. Once you've signed up on Amazon Seller Central, you can just upload your ebook and sell it. Look at this one. This one is 99 cents. I'm sure this person did exactly the same thing, expecting 100% profit. So this is a great way to make your first dollars online. Please, if you like this video, click on like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.